They followed me, smashed my car, stole my silver. Everyone needs to learn this painful lesson. First, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they're holding this contest. It's a lot of fun. It's free. Click that link. You should be the next winner. A local dealer here where I live, and I've been working with this guy for years. He just shared this experience with me. There's a local coin show that happens here in my area. It's maybe every 3 months this show happens. It has about 30 to 50 tables at the show. And this dealer that I work with, I'm not going to mention his name, he mainly deals with gold. This is the guy who's, if you've ever been to one of these local coin shows, you get a section where you set up your table, and he's one of these guys that has 4, 5, maybe 6 tables, most with gold. He's been doing this forever. He's an older gentleman, easily in his early 80s. He was leaving the show. He packs up his stuff, puts it into his car, and he's driving home. This just happened to him. While he's driving, he pulls over, goes to a gas station, goes in to pay for the gas. Out of the corner of his eye, he sees something going on near his car. He walks out, and there's people running away from his car, jumping into their own car. And he sees that they had smashed his back window. Now, immediately, this is not some action hero. This is an older gentleman who's dealing with this. He walks over to his car, and he looks in the back. He sees that there's still some cases left. He doesn't even, he just wants to get away. He gets in his car, and he's driving back on the highway. And while he's driving, of course, he's paranoid. He's feeling like whichever car is behind him is following him. So he starts getting off exits. This is like a movie. This really happened to him. He's getting off random exits. He's flipping around. He's going in the reverse direction. And there is, in fact, a car following him. He keeps going off exits, coming around, and that car is still following him. This is an older man. I mean, this is really frightening. So eventually they take off. They leave him. He gets back home. He looks in his back of his car. And again, most of these cases that he is transporting are gold. And luckily for him, the case that's gone was silver, right? Just this, as we know, relative to gold, comparatively cheap metal. That's what they got. They got silver. They didn't get any gold. Because of this, though, he's done. He's done. And for years, I've been working with this man, and he's done. It's why would he? How can he continue doing this? And I think he's closing up shop. He's finished. I think that what this is telling, mainly in regards to the value of gold now. Gold is these record highs for gold. At the time of this recording, we're looking at 3,300 for an ounce of gold. If I was relaying this story even 10 years ago, the chances of somebody, of a criminal, really taking the risk for gold, the value wasn't like it is now. And as gold continues to rise, which it will, it's not going back down. Look, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, this is going to continue to be a real issue. And I've noticed, if you've gone to local coin shows and you've noticed this, there are rented security guards, guys with no experience, just standing at the door, completely out of shape. Maybe they have a taser. I mean, it's not any form of protection for literally hundreds of thousands of dollars in those rooms for a coin show. It's a real issue. And it's really sad to see that this dealer that I've been working with is closing up shop. I don't blame him. He's done. He had thought he had another 10 years. You know, just think of Tim from Yankee Stacking. If you've ever watched the YouTube channel Yankee Stacking, that's the kind of man I'm talking about. That's what this guy is. Imagine Tim being chased by some thieves breaking into his car. It's really frightening. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. Every month they're giving this silver away. 20 silver eagles. They should be yours. And I'll see you guys on the next video.